What's up guys, Greg Hitchko here, and this is a 2-minute tech tip on how to use this seal mate to help clean out your fork seals here. In some cases, you might actually not need new fork seals if you notice that they're leaking. There could just be some dirt stuck up under there. So we're gonna take this seal mate, stick it underneath the fork here, move it around, and then see if there's any dirt that comes off of it to make sure that we're not leaking anymore. So let's give it a try. Well, the one side on the left here is almost like a claw, and then the other side here is a little bit flatter. So you're gonna work it underneath the seal as best you can. And what I'm gonna do is actually go around the complete fork and then make sure I get up high enough that it gets up into the seal itself, because this outer seal that you see is just the dust seal. The fork seal is actually up underneath there. So make sure you kind of like work the seal mate high enough in there. You can kind of see some oil on that seal as well. And then once you go around, pull the seal out, and then let's see what we got on it. Look at all that junk that just came out from underneath that fork seal, dust seal. If you got some leaky forks here, you may not actually need new fork seals. There just might be some dirt stuck up in there. So make sure you grab one of these, or even like a playing card might work. But what happens with the playing card is it's a little too soft and cardboardy. This is more plastic. And just as a heads up guys, you might have to go through this process a couple times to make sure all the dirt comes out from underneath the seal. Take your bike off the stand, pump the forks up and down a few times, just to really confirm that there's no more oil leaking through the seal. If there is still oil leaking, that might actually mean that you will need new seals. All right guys, so that's your 2-minute tech tip on how to use the Motion Pro Seal Mate to clean out those fork seals there. Punch that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I have a ton more 2-minute tech tips for you to go check out. So we will see you in the next video. Peace.